Hello guys, avocado lovers! For today, we are going to make chocolate avocado pudding. We need 1 avocado, 3 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of honey. You can add more or less. Then we are going to add 5 tablespoons of almond milk. Any milk will do. Just blend it for a few seconds and our chocolate avocado is really here. This pudding is really good and I really like it. If you want to make this and you want more, you can double the ingredients that we use here. And if you don't want too much cocoa powder in it, you can adjust it according to your taste. So this is our chocolate pudding, and for me it tastes so good. And on top we can add any nuts. Here I am using almond nuts. It's up to you what kind of nuts that you want. So this is it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that bell for you to be notified for a new video. Thank you very much, and don't forget, check the shout out channel that we have here. Thank you.